Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I have just done a had a bit of a play in this book where I put some of my postcards and stuff. You've seen through this before, and I just thought I would come on and show you. Hey, right, the page had already been painted. I can't get the camera high enough to be able to show you it all. Some of you, when I flipped through this book a while ago, I showed you this image and I said, well, she looks as though she's really pleased, really happy with something. So I cut her out properly and stuck her down there. I decided to call her Edna, and Edna was so happy with her new skirt. Alright, so I've made her a skirt. Made her a little skirt. I want to keep the top half that colour. I think I might change my mind at another time and colour her in, but for now I really love it. I made her this little skirt from, and these are her legs, look, a little pretty little tights on, and I've got this I can't remember, this was an Amy Aljon thing, oh, probably 3 years ago, probably 4 years ago, where she, I can't remember what we did. It's tissue paper, not the backing off of napkins or anything. This was proper tissue paper, coloured tissue paper. What did we do? I think we glued it down. I'll have to, oh no, I don't want to have another go. I can't remember whether I did a video. I'll have a look and I'll try and leave Amy's as well. But I think we got some parchment paper, put some glue down, glued a sheet of tissue paper on the top. And then I can't remember, did we? I seem to think, because there's two different colours. We put another sheet on the top and then like squidge it with our fingers. I don't know, I don't even know what I'm trying to explain because I can't quite remember, but I seem to think we sort of squidged it with our fingers so you get the colour from underneath. I don't know why it's got yellow there, whether I'd put yellow on as well. No idea. Anyway, I'll show you some more of those in a minute. So I decided to cut a little skirt out of that. Oh, and I was going to put a little button or something there and I've forgotten. Can you see? You can't even see it because I can't get it all in. Edna was so happy with her new skirt. And then she's got, yeah, and I put little black dots on and a little stripe down the bottom. And I actually think it looks like an apron now, but it's her skirt. And I was going to stick it all down, and then I thought, no, we'll just have it. And then we can look up her skirt, look, rude. It's just so rude to do that. She's not even got any knickers on and it's rude. Yeah, so I just stuck it across there and it's rude. Might have to see if I can find a pair of knickers or something. Had I thought about that, excuse me, before, because I'd already stuck the legs on there underneath, was going to stick it down flat. Then I had the thought of, oh no, I'll lift that up like that and put rude. But had I thought of that first, I suppose I could still change it, or I could have done before I put those down. I could have actually made longer legs and put them under there and put her some knickers on. Yes, really I could. And I could still have had the feet dangling off the bottom. But I quite like that. I was going to put her on another page, but it had got something else on Oh, I don't know where it is now. It was an orange page. That one. I was going to put it on that page, but it's got that on there. So I wanted big letters. I've got all my, well, not all of them, I've got lots of, because I like cutting magazine words and pictures and stuff out. And I also cut individual letters out as well, but they're all in a folder. Just a minute, am I still recording? Oh yeah, they're all in a folder, so I've got them all out on the table. So now what I'm doing, I know I'm off my trolley, but I've got, oh, you know, the little cellophane things that you put your artist trading cards in. So I've got, like, how many letters are there in the alphabet? 26, is it? I've got 26 of those on the table now. When Mr. Doodle comes home, he better not push his bag down hard on the table or they'll all go flying. So I've got 26 of these little clear things, and I'm putting all my letters in because I know it's a bit time consuming, but I'm just doing a bit at a time. And then I've got them all together, it'll just be a bit easier, I think. Because I was ages and ages and ages trying to find a K. But yes, so that's my little share for today. I'll probably go round the edges or something. I don't know. I did go round the letters with a pencil and just smudged it and such like. But I do like that. Rude! It's just rude. Don't do that to ladies. It's rude. Yeah, so that's that. I finished these off. I showed you some of these the other week. Oh, that one I would have shown you that I did. Can't even remember what I called them now. I'll try and leave the link if anybody's interested if you haven't seen those, but I'd got two left that I'd not done, and I think it was Jean Bainey that said, oh well, because I used like shop bought beads and that, and somebody anyway said, oh, why don't you use some of your own beads? So I have done, well, a mixture, just done a couple of my own beads, and these ones I did with the pliers and the, what do you call it, pins, wire pins, and I really struggled, so I thought, no, we're not doing that again. So I just got some embroidery thread, threaded it through there, and there's all bits of tassely bits. It's just real rough, and some beads are coming off the bottom because I obviously haven't tied that on. Now I remember now that I didn't do that one. I think the phone rang or something. I wondered why I was treading on things. Let's just do that now. Yeah, so that was that one. Oh, I can't see. I'll do that in a minute. And then that was the other one that I did, just put one bead on there and some of the little ones and a little heart, and again just tied it at the bottom. I've obviously not done this very well, have I? I've not tied a big enough knot at the bottom because there was quite a few more beads on there. I've been treading on things all afternoon, thinking, what am I treading on? But because they're so tiny, I didn't realise what they were. They were beads. Oh, I'm such a shoddy worker, I really am. My God. Right, so that is that. I'm really happy with that. I still don't know whether to There's another bead just fallen on my foot. God. I still don't know whether to decorate this or whether to just leave it like that. Right, back to these. Just show you quickly. Some of you who's been with me a few years will have seen these. So it's some sort of plasticky paper with glue and tissue paper, and that was a pre-printed tissue paper. yeah, when I put, so there's 2 lots there. Oh, I can't remember. I'll try and find the video. That was a napkin. That was one of my napkins that I just put glue on. Oh, there's so many things to try, and they're just all brilliant. That's another piece of that. And as you can see, I have used them. I do use them. It's just that this one was just plain napkin that I'd stamped on. You can see, and put sprinkled bits of glitter on. Yeah, just purple tissue paper, and again, look, I think, sure, we just like, yeah, like on that one, just pushed or ripped bits out or something. And that one I put glitter on. But yeah, this technique was definitely, saw Amy do it. She is so good. If you don't know Amy, I'm going to leave the link to her channel. You really should go over, especially if you're new to crafting. I know I plug Amy's channel quite a lot. She's the first American lady that I got friendly with, so I've known her for several years. And not only is she a lovely lady, but she's so talented, and she does a lot for the crafting community. She does this series, a couple of series she's got going on, and she's just so clever with the things she thinks of. And yeah, right, that is it now. I am absolutely sweating. I'm going to go and sit outside. What time is it? It's actually nearly 8 o'clock at night, and Mr. Doodle's not home yet, so, but I won't get this uploaded today. But he's got a late finish today, unfortunately, but never mind, it can't be helped. As long as he gets home in one piece, that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm going to go and sit outside and cool off a bit. It's been really hot and muggy, and loads of thunder flies. It's been driving me potty, but I don't suppose it's going to be much cooler outside, and it feels a bit stormy. I think we're due some storms. It'll clear the air a bit, won't it? Anyway, have a lovely weekend, everyone, and thank you for watching and for all your lovely comments and for continuing to support my Fruit Loops channel. You know, all I can say is the people that watch me are obviously on the Fruit Loop wavelength as well, which is absolutely brilliant. I love it. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.